Right, so in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Insta360 X5 utility fast charging case. So as you can see on top, we've got a dual slot for two batteries there, and this supports PD fast charging, and it can charge one battery to 80% in just 28 minutes. And the dual battery slots have got independent power management to prevent overcharging. And it weighs just 104 grams, and it's made out of plastic, aluminium alloy, graphene and silicone. And as you can see on the back of the X5 fast charging case, we've got room for 3 SD cards. You just slot them in there, and when you shove that up, they're securely in place. And as you can see, we've got 2 LEDs. Now when you put your batteries in, it's going to be flashing amber if it's below 80%, and then it's going to be flashing green when it's above 80%, and then it's going to stay solid green when it's fully charged. And what's great about this fast charging case, you'll be able to charge 2 batteries simultaneously there. And then as an added bonus, when you've got 2 batteries charging inside there, we'll just be able to pull this USB-C out, and you'll also be able to charge your X5 at the same time. So you can have 3 batteries charging all at the same time, but the power is going to be reduced when you're charging the X5. And then you'll also be able to use it as a power bank when you're out in the field. So that's real handy as well. And the button on the side there, just above the charging port, that button activates the indicator lights on the case, which visually represent the battery charge level. If you just push it, and you can see they're giving you the charge levels there. And then another great feature on this is you'll be able to plug a power bank right into the USB port there. So when you're out and about filming, you just plug your batteries into here, put this in your bag, and this will be charging while you've already got one inside your X5. So you're never going to run out of juice there. And what's great with the Insta360 batteries, they come in these hard cases. And again, we've got room for some more SD cards. But these are really well made, and they're going to protect this battery if it were to be knocked and thrown about in your bag. That's going to be nice and secure. And these 2 batteries here on the left with the blue rim round, these are the standard batteries you get with the X5, and these have got a rated capacity of 2,400 milliamps. And now this one over here is called the Ultra battery, and you can tell them apart because, as I've just said, we've got a blue rim around these ones, but the Ultra battery's got the red rim around. And this has got a rated capacity of 2,800 milliamps, so you're going to get a lot more juice than the standard ones. So I've got the Ultra battery and the X5 at the moment, so I'll just take it out so you can take a closer look. So as you can see, we've got the orange strip all the way around there, so you can easily tell them apart from the normal ones. And as I just said, we've got 2,400 milliamps in the standard ones, but with this Ultra battery, we've got 2,800 milliamps. We've got 400 milliamps more, and I've done some testing with them, and you do get at least 50 minutes more with this one. So just as an example for the battery life, I've been filming with this Ultra battery 2,800 milliamps today. I've left the Insta360 on in standby the whole time. I've been filming in 5.7K 30 frames per second, and this was 100%, and now it's at 43%. And like I said, I've been filming just for around 2 hours, so that is really, really good battery life. And now I'm going to put the Ultra battery back in the X5, and then we're going to start charging all 3. Here we go. Right, so now let me put both batteries inside of the X5 charging case. The best way to remember is you've got an overhang just on this side. Now that's going to go facing to the back of the fast charger. You just push them straight down. You get an indication straight away. Again, the bit what overhangs goes to the back of the fast charger. And again, we're going to get an indication there. And now we've got both batteries inserted inside. I'm going to connect it with the cable it came with. And I'm going to power it on. And then you're going to be able to tell from what colour the LEDs are, what percentage your battery's at. So as you can see, we've got the LEDs flashing yellow, so both batteries are below 80%. As I said earlier, when they're flashing green, they're above 80%, and then when they're solid green, they're fully charged. And then if your battery is completely depleted, say at 0%, which I highly don't recommend, but let's just say it is, So to get from 0% to 100, it'll take around 55 minutes. And both batteries are charging simultaneously, so that's really good because I've had a lot of action cameras and a lot of fast chargers, but they tend to just do it one at a time. So it's really good with Insta360 how they've made this charge both at once. And now I'm going to connect the X5 to the fast charging case via the USB at the side. Then we're going to have 3 batteries charging all at once, so that's really impressive. And now you can see we've got 3 LEDs showing, so all 3 batteries are being charged at the same time. So do keep in mind, when you're charging all 3 batteries at the same time, the power's reduced, so you're not going to get the fast charging time as if you're just getting these 2 charging on their own. Now this fast charging case came in the Essentials bundle for me, that's why there were no unboxing at the beginning. But if you're wanting to purchase this alone, I'll leave a link in the description and that'll send you straight to it on the Insta360 website. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.